सुस्वागतम सुस्वागतम सुस्वागतम. रंगदेवता आणि नाट्यरसिकांना विनम्र अभिवादन करून द केऑस क्रू सादर करीत आहोत लेडी ग्रेगर यांची एकांकिका द रायझिंग ऑफ द मून.
This play is set in an Irish town and revolves around an escaped political prisoner, British officers searching for him, and the conflict between duty and patriotism.
In our presentation, we show how a prisoner escapes during an agitation, how a police struggle to recapture him, and how simple incident leads the officers to reflect on the true meaning of freedom.
For stage effectiveness, we have made a few creative changes in the original storyline, including the frame story, for carefully preserving the original central idea of the drama, that is the patriotism and human conscience. So our cast of characters are narrator 1 Kartiki, narrator 2 Tanuja, ragman A Nidhi, ragman B Tanvi, granddaughter 1 Ridhima, granddaughter 2 Anushka, grandma Zua, sergeant A Zua, sergeant B Parth, policeman A Dhanish, policeman B Atharva, and citizens Harshita, Preeti, our British officer Ridhima.
Grandma, today was my last paper. I feel so fresh now.
Free, what does freedom really mean, Grandma?
Freedom is not just a finishing exam, my dear. It is something one who fought for, courage and sacrifice.
Can you tell us a story, Grandma?
Yes, listen carefully. This is the story of moon and rays reminded the true meaning of patriotism.
It is night on the quay of an Irish seaport town. The moon is rising slowly.
Agitators are shouting.
We want freedom with injustice. We want freedom down with injustice. We want freedom down with injustice. We want freedom down with injustice.
Sergeants, these agitators are creating trouble again. Arrest them immediately.
Yes, sir. Policemen catch them.
Stop shouting and come with us.
Both prisoners are secured, ma'am.
Good. Take them away.
Agitators are arrested. Later that night, they ran away.
Sir, they escaped.
Useless fellows, search everywhere. Bring them back at once.
Reward poster hangs on the wall, warning people of an escaped prisoner, a dangerous Irish rebel.
The poster on the wall tells only half the story. Earlier that night, the British officer had arrested 2 agitators, but they escaped from the custody, sending the whole town into confusion.
The 2 policemen enter, looking serious. They carry lamps and buttons.
Sergeant told us to keep watch here. They might try to escape by sea.
He is clever. That was disguised himself well. He could pass as a beggar or a ballet singer.
Arrested prisoner escape again.
Maybe they ran towards harbor.
But police are very tense here.
We should keep quiet. It's risky to talk. Surgeon arrives, checking the surrounding carefully.
Did you see anyone running?
Inform us if you hear anything.
Man, stay sharp. He could be anywhere. But 10 million report of his capture. But more than that, it's our duty.
Let's not be fooled by anyone. It will be useful
poor and harmless.
to patrol other parts of the quay. The surgeon stays behind. A man in rat clothes walks in slowly. They carry bundles and sing softly.
Evening, sir and ma'am. A fine night, isn't it?
Move along, man. You don't belong here.
Just a poor ballad singer, sir. I thought I had tried my luck by the sea. Maybe someone buy a song or two.
A ballad singer? Out this late? Sounds strange.
I have walked miles today, looking for a place to rest. You wouldn't deny a countryman a bit of a shelter, would you?
The surgeon eyes the man closely. Something about him seems familiar, but he relaxes a little.
What song do you sing?
Old ones, songs of Ireland, songs they don't want us to sing anymore.
I used to sing that song back when I was young.
So did I, before you jail my friend for singing them.
The two men sit on the barrel. The rat man continues to talk of the Ireland of freedom of the days gone by.
We all dream of a free Ireland, don't we?
Some dreams are very dangerous.
They can take our voice, but not our songs.
Or our spirits.
The moon rises high. A silence falls. The surgeon stares at the rat man.
Tell me the truth. Are you him? The man they are looking for?
What if I were?
A long pause. The surgeon looks away.
I never saw you.
You are still Irish after all.
Caught me. I was just catching fish.
Fish ran, prisoner ran, all are mixed.
British officer enters.
You fools! This is not the real prisoner.
Thank you, sir. Finally, someone with a brain.
Then where is the real prisoner?
Both surgeons and British officer remains.
Surgeons, how can you let the real prisoner escape?
Sir, he was not just a prisoner, but he was fighting for his land. He was not just a prisoner, he was fighting for his land. Sometimes patriotism is stronger than fear.
Are you trying to teach me now?
No, sir, but today we understood something. It's courage.
I can dismiss you both from the duty.
If speaking the truth costs our job, we are ready, sir.
The person fighting for justice is not a prisoner. He is a symbol of hope.
You both have changed.
No, sir, we have opened our eyes.
A nation rises not by the fear, but by the bravery of its people.
Now here, grandma and granddaughters enter.
Grandma, was that man truly free?
Yes, my child. Not because of escape, but because he chose courage over a fear.
So, freedom is not about ourselves, right?
No, remember this always: a nation rises not by power, but by the values of bravery in the life of people.
So this is our end of our drama, The Rising of the Moon. Thank you everyone for watching us this drama with every encouragement and interest. special thanks to our teachers, that are Anay sir, Kirti ma'am, and especially Shreya ma'am, who not only captured our scenes but also captured our memories. Thank you everyone once again.